Hey guys, just a quick little interview right here. Sorry I haven't been filming a lot. The weekend's hard. Um, so I decided that I wanted to do a movie. There's no one else participating in it except for me. I might have to change skins at times to be other people. Just letting you know. And let's get started. Okay, let's head over here and let's get started. Actually, let's head down here and let's get started because I feel like this is gonna be better. It's a beautiful day. I'm just headed back to my house to get some stuff. Hopefully I can. Hopefully school starts here pretty quick. I'm actually ready for the school week. It's almost 2021. Hopefully, because it is 2020 in this one. Let's go over here. There's my book, paper, and pencil that I still need to rename. Yeah, let's head over to the school and let's just get going. Okay. All right, class. Hello. How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you and Marley's ghost? How are you doing? Okay, so here we are at school. So how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Great, doing great. Okay, let's get started. So as you can see, we have math to do. Okay, here's the schedule for today. Right there. We have breakfast, math, outside time, lunch, and outside reading. So here's the schedule for today. We have breakfast, okay, which is over already. We have math. Then we have outside time, and then we come back in, do some reading, and then we go to lunch, do some language arts, and then we do some Utah studies, okay? That's the schedule for today. Okay, guys? So let's go outside. Okay, let's go. Okay. Here's the yard. Okay, have fun. Sun's going down. Oh, great. Okay, let's head over here. Okay, guys, sun's going down. School is over. School is over. Oh, finally, what a long day. Gosh. Finally, that's a long day. That's been a long day. That's been a long, long day. Holy moly. Alright, how did I go? Out here, over here. Alright, let's head to bed. Let's go! No school today. Finally. I don't really think they gave me homework. I think they gave all the other kids homework. But I do like homework. It's pretty fun. I'm gonna go to the VIP area upstairs. This sign says VIPs only. up the ladder. VIPs only. Set up here. Oh wait, I'm not a VIP. I gotta dress like one. I gotta look like a VIP. Alright, let's head over here. Let's head up. Oh, I wonder what we're gonna do today. Okay, let's head up here into the VIP room. I'm actually worried of what might happen. I'm a good VIP. I'm not the president. I'm the president's guard. He wants me in the VIP room for some reason. This is such a beautiful view. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. I'm not lying. This is gonna be such a beautiful view when I get there. Okay, let's head up here. Let's see the beautiful view from up here. Hopefully I can get some work done up here. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. I feel like I'm the king of the world. Oh my. There's everything. There's the police station, the school. There's the lab where the president goes to save people or do some stuff. There's the tanks all down there. There's 2 tanks. Oh, I remember that castle. That's at the Target's castle. That's a nice castle area. It's too bad it's not called Castle Bravo. Let's head over here. Oh gosh, this is weird. Oh gosh, I am tired. I'm gonna have to bed. Okay. It seems the VIP's sleeping. Okay, let's head down here. Ooh, that was close. Oh, this is not a good area. Okay, wait, hold up. The sirens are going off. Oh gosh. I gotta go over here, 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 I gotta go over here. Okay, the tornado. Wait. They're flood sirens. It's a flood. It's gonna be a mini flood, I think. Okay, nowhere's safe. Oh no, my house isn't safe. Oh gosh. Because it's standing on legs. Oh gosh. My farm isn't safe. Okay, okay. No worries. These gates are designed to keep water out of my house. Out of it. Let's get some gates from my inventory. Keeping my house safe. Oh no. Okay, those gates are mostly designed to keep water flowing outside my house. Okay, they just fell off. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. I have an idea. Since there is mostly water here, my house is designed to keep stand of floods in case. Because as we see here, there's water underneath. Water will go up here and shatter all the glass. Oh gosh. Wait. I remember. Marley gave me flying powers. Okay. Oh gosh. These are designed to keep my balcony from falling down, but I don't think it'll hold during a flood. These things are designed to hold I did design them. Oh gosh, I need to tell my dog. I need to tell my dogs. Max! Max, no! No, not Max. Where is Thunder? Where's Thunder? Thunder, where are you? Thunder. Is this you, Thunder? No, that's Jones. Spot, that's Fluff. It's Pinky. Greenhouse. Oh, Thunder, here you are. Here we are. We gotta name y'all. We gotta name y'all here. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Okay. An earthquake's happening. Whoa. Those weren't flood sirens, those were the earthquake sirens. Okay. Well, it seems we got an earthquake on our hands. Oh gosh. That is scary. Holy. That is scary. Whoa. Screen's shaking. Okay. That's scary. We gotta get under something. Get under the stairs. These things are designed really well to hold up. Wait. My base. Dang it. Ooh, as long as I forgot to put on these. Oh gosh, what a long day. Oh gosh. Okay. Is that it? I'm shivering after that. Oh gosh. Is that over? Oh gosh. Okay. Everybody's. Oh gosh. Schools are good. School's all good. What about there? Oh man. Are you okay? Oh no. I don't think no one's here. I think they evacuated the entire city. They evacuated us. Oh, my shed's safe. My shed is safe. It's warm in here. Holy moly. Oh gosh. My shed is not safe. It is not safe. It's earthquaking. This is a huge earthquake. Okay, that was like a 1.8 maybe. It's like a 1.10. Definitely an earthquake. That is definitely the biggest earthquake I've ever seen in earthquake history. Okay, okay, on the playground. Okay, just safe. I'm safe here. Hopefully nothing can. The tanks. They can survive easily. I remember. I looked up on the internet one day on my computer, and it said tanks can survive earthquakes. Tanks. Okay, tank. Please survive. I don't feel it. Yes. Okay, everybody onto the tank. Everybody on. Okay. All the VIPs are safe up there in the tower. Good thing the tower can't fall. Oh gosh, how many animals are there? Well, those are farm animals, so I don't really need to worry about that. Oh. Okay. Oh gosh. Don't eat my crops. Don't eat them. Oh gosh, I gotta kill these guys. I gotta kill them. Gotta kill. Okay. Gotta kill the donkey. I'm sorry, Donk. Sorry, Donker. Sorry, cow. Sorry, cows. You guys had to go. Okay, I gotta kill them before the next earthquake comes. Because my house is almost collapsed. Okay. Okay, any other animals? Any others? No. Donkey. I thought I got rid of you. Donkey. Back here. Get the water, make sure nothing. Okay, that's good. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh gosh, that is bad. Oh gosh, that earthquake is bad. Okay. I went to bed. Oh. Oh. It was a dream. Oh gosh. I think I had a dream. Oh gosh. Where's thunder? 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 This is all. It's over. Oh man. It's finally over. Oh, the dream is over. Oh gosh, the dream is over. Okay, let's head over here. Let's see thunder. Let's go see thunder. You should be safe. You should all be safe. Thunder. Oh, doggies, you're all safe. Blue, wait, no, Rain, Antonio, Fluffy, Pinky, Grassy, Lightning, Flood, and Thunder. Finally. Oh gosh, I need to name you all. How many of you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 name tags. It's gonna be a lot of name tags. Do it with. Oh gosh. And 1 Anvil. Oh gosh. Okay, dogs, I'm gonna name y'all. Let's name Rain. Rain. Okay, let's take that. Wait, Anthony, and okay, there we go. Okay. Here's 3K, Fluffy, Fluffy, 3, 4. Okay. Here's Okay, so we have Lily, Fluffy, Anthony, and Rain. Lightning. Oh, lightning. 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 Okay. Comment down below what I should do with my dog's names, please. John. Oh no, wait, no. Lightning. Oh, I know. Hayden. Here's Hayden. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hayden. Thunder. Oh, Thunder. T-H. Thunder. Thunder. And then the last one. Now, wait, no. Pippin. Oh, Piper. Here's all of the dogs' names. We have Rain, Anthony, Fluffy, Lily, Lightning, Hayden, Thunder, and Piper. Rain, Anthony, Fluffy, Lily, Lightning, Hayden, Thunder, and Piper. There you go. All of you have names. Lightning, I like this name. Thunder. You two are the dogs of Lightning and Thunder. Because I saw you guys summon Rain. I hope Barnaby's doing okay. This is none. That's the end of the. That's the end. Thank you guys for enjoying my movie. This movie was called The Earthquake. I will make more movies like this. Thank you. That's the end. This movie was. This movie couldn't be made without you guys. This is help on my channel. Hopefully you enjoy. I really did as well. I'll make a live stream coming up here pretty soon. I hope you guys enjoy Lightning, Thunder, Piper, Fluffy, all of these dogs that I love. All of my pack. Rain, Anthony, Fluffy, Lily, Lightning, Hayden, Piper, and Thunder. I hope you guys all love them. Be sure to give them some love and give me some help so I can make it more awesome videos and good content like this. Help me reach to 2,000 subscribers by 2030. I already know it's coming. It's after 2029. Well, I think 2029. Yeah, 2029. It's after that. Hope y'all have a good day. I hope you enjoy this movie. It's called The Earthquake. You guys can check it out again if you want. See the scenes. I'm probably going to make a behind the scenes. But there's another movie coming out pretty quickly. It's probably going to be called The Tornado. I don't know how I'm going to build it, but I don't know how it's going to work, but I'm planning it out. Hope you guys have a good day, and see you in my next video with me and Marley. Bye!